Bring both your hands together. That's excellent.
You can't see tremors in Paul Detlefson's hands now, but a decade ago, the outlook for this 43-year-old Parkinson's disease patient looked a lot different.
My symptoms was mostly the right arm, severe tremors.
Detlefson underwent what's called deep brain stimulation surgery. We first showed you the procedure 2 years ago on another patient at JFK Neuroscience Institute. Surgically implanted electrodes on the brain send impulses that block signals, causing tremors and involuntary movements. The 20-year-old procedure is wildly successful, with just one downfall. Patients were given a bulky remote-controlled generator to manage the system. It was tricky to use alone and required in-office appointments for adjustments. Until now, where brainwaves meet touchpad.
So we convert from the older system to an iPod, where they can just remotely go up and down on their parameters, even at home.
Detlefson is the first patient in the U.S. to marry the old system to new, managing his DBS from an iPod Touch.
Specifically, without getting too technical, they can adjust the frequency, amplitude, pulse width. So there's some scientific electronic features that they can adjust to help their symptoms.
It's just so simple now. You know, you go to the App Store, you load the app, and it's right on the screen, everything you need to know.
And that gives patients both flexibility and control. The results are instant. Patients can turn the system on or off, adjust settings, and anyone around them is none the wiser.
We can program the device with thousands of different settings. And we give the patients a certain parameter where they can do modest adjustments themselves. So it gives them some control and power over their condition in the sense that they can make some fine-tuning and some adjustments on their own based on the symptoms they have.
It ain't a cure, but compared to some side effects of medications, I'd go with this.
You would?
Yes.
Medications often left patients with severe side effects. The iPod means back to life, back to work, back to friends.
From then on, I'm just so grateful.
The system, much like deep brain stimulation surgery itself, is not a cure for Parkinson's disease, but it means for patients like Paul who have had an early onset and many years ahead, the promise of a better quality of life. In Edison, Brianna Venozzi, NJTV News.